George, all the time people are asking you and Larry and the rest of the team questions about what they need to do to improve their packaging process. What's the number one question that you get?
Well, at most of the trade shows and the shows that I walk, we find that the customers are interested in lowering their labor cost or finding labor or replacement for labor with automation. Now, Barrington specializes in affordable automation for a small and mid-sized company. That's the number one question that I'm asked, is that how can you help me improve the profitability of my company? The second thing they do in terms of improving their profitability is to lower their packaging costs, which we are able to help them with our sister company, Barrington Packaging Solutions. The last thing that they're generally interested in is improving the overall quality and extending the code life of the product with packaging and packaging materials. And we have a great deal of expertise in being able to do that. So consequently, if you have any interest in any of those things or those categories, please feel free to give me a call at 888-814-7999, extension 1. And again, it's George Burney, Barrington Packaging Systems Group, 888-814-7999, extension 1. I look forward to talking to you.
George, let's talk about the types of equipment systems that are offered by you and your team here at Barrington Packaging Systems Group.
Well, Danny, what we're trying to do is to help our customers lower their labor costs, lower their packaging costs, and improve their quality. Now, generally, we deal with small to mid-sized food companies. Consequently, we have everything from a tabletop system, like a band sealer, all the way up to a full inline system that would encompass something like bagging systems, K-cup systems, flow wrappers, etc.
And you talked about it once where the product either comes in vertically across a table or it's dropping from the top down. Tell us a little bit about the different types of systems that there are.
Well, generally what we try and focus in on is flow wrappers, which will take something from a pan, a baking pan, you'll put it in an in-feed conveyor, overwrap it to lower the labor cost, lower the packaging cost, and improve the quality. But in addition to that, we also have customers that have free-flowing products like granola, seasonings, cookies, and so on, and they want to put them in a particular bag, a preformed stand-up bag. Now, as you're probably aware of, there's a multiplicity of ways to package things in a pillow pack or in a preformed stand-up pouch, and Barrington has some good expertise without changing the taste, mouthfeel, and texture of the product to improve the way that we can package that material. We try as best we can to keep the expectations of the customer in line with what the budget and corresponding to the packaging materials that they're using are.
And if somebody wants to get a hold of you about that, what would they do, George?
They can call George Burney at 888-814-7999, extension 1. That's George Burney, 888-814-7999, extension 1. I look forward to talking to you.